Okay, so what we got here? Got a lazy tree laying on a job. You can't have that. Brother, you got to go. We are not having this. Not a lazy tree. What we're going to do is, we're going to evict the brother. Green yourself out of here. Lazy. Lazy. So, man, get the tools together. We're going to go into a transition. Yep. Yard work is what it's going to be. That's what we're going to call it. We're going to call it what it really is. It's an eviction on a tree. Notice was when you started laying down on a job, that was in your contract. You got to go when you lay down on a job. So, get my gloves on, get prepared, get this brother out of here. Yep. Start off with the fingers. Yeah, snip, snap. It's going down. It's going down just like it is. Oh yeah. Snippity snip, snippity snap. Thought this was a game. Going down, man. Going down today. Snippity snippity snap. Snippity snippity snap. Snippity snippity snap. You going down. Ha ha ha. You're going down. Ha ha ha. Too late now. Here you got the T-Pain Pizzle Pack. Thanks to T-Pain and the Pizzle Pack. Need some sound for your video? Go to the Pizzle Pack. You won't have a problem. You got that all cleared up. You can use it as you feel free. Just don't go and try to reproduce it. Don't say I told you to do it. I done told you. You're gonna go down like this tree. Oh yeah. Going down today. Going down today. Look at that. Snippy, 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 snap. Snippy, snippy, snap. That's a wrap. Snippy, snippy, snap. That's a wrap. Adjust the angle a little bit. See, like, oh, see it go down. It's going down today. Guess what? Yeah. You think we playing right here? We ain't playing. Yeah, machete man. Oh yeah, you're going down today. Let's get this thing down. Let's show you how to drop a tree. Don't cry now. Let's get rid of this fallen tree. That's what I'm talking about. We get this thing out of here. You got to go, man. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Ah. Snippity snap. Machete man. Think I'm playing with you? Didn't I tell you? Laying down on the job. Who you think it is? Somebody done told you wrong. Get out of here. Get out of here. Ah. Yeah. Bits and pieces, what you gonna be? You was a tree. Now you bits and pieces. Me and my cousin Machete, we a gang. That's right. Yeah. Didn't I tell you to get out of here? Well, laying on a job. Yeah. I'm built for this. Made for this. Bits and pieces. You stand tall, now you're laying low. In pieces, man. In pieces. Yep. Yeah. Machete and steel-toe boots. We came prepared. Yeah. Shouldn't have did it. But when I told you, stand up. Yeah. What? You say something? You say something? Huh? Talking to me? You talking to me? You talking to me? You talking to me? Oh, you want to be stubborn? Oh, you think it's too late, man. You're going down. Right? What? Yeah, you want some uppercut? Pippity paps. Weaken you at the limb. Here, let me pull your teeth out. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you got a lot to say? Let me pull these teeth out. Yeah, you didn't know I was a tree dentist. Pulling tree teeth out. Want to run your mouth? Yeah. Pulling your teeth out. Tree teeth. Wooden teeth. Yeah, you use a saw for wooden teeth. Yeah. Nip it in the bud. Yeah. You don't need no dental plan. Yeah. What'd you say? Oh, man. Okay, all right, wait a minute. Let me see. Oh, I told you. You're going down. You think the string is holding you up? too late now. What you got now? What you got now? Yeah. What you got now? Let me show you. This is the way. This is the way. Yeah, you use a machete. You want to hit the tree in an angle. Get it at an angle. You hit it across. You be cutting all day. I've been doing this for a minute. Yeah. Must go down. I'm telling you, it must go down. Keep going down, man. There's nowhere else but down. You want to lay down, you get down, stay down, lay down. We ain't playing around here. Get down, lay down. Get down, lay down, stay down. Chip, chop, whippity wop. You're going down today. Going down today. Go down in the ground. Going down in the ground today, bro. What? I'm about to go get the cousin. It's going down today. Wait till I come back. You think I'm playing? Got something for you. I think you got your foot down. Coming back with the shoe remover. You getting up out of there, thinking you got your crown. What you gonna do now? The guts up. Got your guts. Yeah. Get the mud, or rub the mud on you. Yeah. 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 Come on. Yeah. Chippy chop, pippy pop. Crickety crack, mippity mac. Hear that? Crink. Breaking them bones. Breaking them bones. You hear them bones cracking. Oh, yeah. Going down today. Yeah, you playing. Think you're playing with. Spike said you going down. Tell him, Spike. Yep, that's his name, Spike. Whoa, you see that? Spike. Digging you up, digging all your guts out. You must come down. And you got to go, man. You got to go, man. Work it around. Work it around. Yeah. Where your foot at now? I gotta get all them toes out. Trying to hold down. You coming out? Chippity chop. Chippity chop. Yep, that's how you remove a stump. You get to one of these spikes. It's about 6 feet long. It looks small because I'm 6'5". Yeah. Come on, Spike. Tell them what you done. Tell them what you done. Hit them fingers breaking. Yeah. Going down today. Going down today, man. Yeah. Yeah. Cracking the knuckles cracking. Quickly crack. Pickety pack. Get out the ground, you stump. I ain't playing with you. What do you think this is? Yeah, you hear that snippity snap? Crippity crap. Sound like crabs. Cracking like crab legs. Oh yeah. That's how you do. Look at this thing. Uh-huh. Oh. Yeah, this that pizzle pack. Yeah, boy. T-Pain. Thanks, man. Uh-oh. Oh. Ah. Oh. Take a plan. Spike said, no, you're not staying. Get out. Get out. It's time to go, man. Time to go. Yep. Yeah. Oh, there it go right there. Oh, yeah. There you go. Chump, chump. Okay. Yeah, you trying to hold on. Let me cut them fingers off. You think this a game, man? You think this a game? I'm trying to tell you I ain't playing with you, man. Cut your fingers off, man. Trying to hold on to the ground. Who you think you playing with? Yeah, there you go. No fingers now. Now what you gonna do? Now what you gonna do? Here we go. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, get up out of there. Get up out of there. It's going down today, man. Get up out of this ground. Think I'm playing with you? I'm playing with you. I ain't playing with you. Chump, 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 chump. Yeah, boy. Oh, yeah. It's over with. It is over with. Get the rest of them guts out of there. Yeah, get them guts out of there. You ain't gotta worry about that tree growing no more. It's all over with now. Just a matter of little grooming here, grooming there. Straighten this out, straighten that out. Get these other roots. Get these other roots. No machinery. It's all man-made. Snippity snap. Pippity pat. Snip, snip, snip. Get your little haircut. I think this is out of game, man. Get up out of here. Get that mustache out of here. Get your little mustache out of here. Tree mustache. We all fall down. You can't get up. We all fall down. You can't get up. It's all over with. It's all over with. Yeah. It's over with when you see the leaves falling. The tree gods are crying. The spirits say it's over with. That's the tree spirits. Leaves are tree spirits. Tree spirits. Yep. These steel toes ain't playing. Guts out of here. Get these guts out of here. Like Luther said, house is not a home to be laying down. Tree's supposed to be on guard too. Laying down on the job, you got to go, man. You did this to yourself. Did this to yourself. Yeah. Yep, this ain't my first rodeo. I'm done about at least 200 of these stumps. This how it goes down. Spring ain't here yet. Well, I'll be doing tree drive-bys. Let me see what trees laying down on the job. Anybody got any trees laying down on the job? You can call me. We're not having this around here. Find it laying on the job, you call me, man. $1-800, get down, lay down. Tap dance on you, tap dance on you, tap dance on you. Yep, that's boot tap dance. Yeah, you hear that. You hear that coordination. Yeah, hit, stamp, 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 tap, tap, tap. dance, 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 dance. Stump the ground, stump the ground. Final call. Let's get this all together. Break this up. Break this up with these boots. These boots rakes right here. Yeah, you think this is a game? Just kicking you all to the side. Just kick you to the side. You think this is? Just kick the tree all around. Round, 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 round. Get out of here. Clean my baby off. Yeah, get the dirt off. Get the blood and gut, these tree guts off of Spade. First name Spike, last name Spade. Spike Spade. Sorry, little birdie, but your buddy had to go. And yeah, you ain't got no home. You should have kept it up. You probably had too many cousins over, and your treehouse couldn't hang. So now he's in the ground. Yeah, let me take a picture of the funeral. There's the tree funeral. Yeah. That's the way it goes. That's the way it goes. Get down in the ground. Down in the ground. Then the house is not a home. And this is how you get rid of a tree and get it out the ground. Little brooms are for the birds. I'm gonna do with this little 2-foot broom, 6'5" man. Make me feel like a Herman Monster. Sweep this ground, sweep this ground, sweep this ground, sweep this ground. Sorry, little birdie. Back up, back up, back up, back up. You're too close. You're too close, man. Get out of here, butterfly. Get out of here. Get out of here. It's over with. Broom falling apart. Broom falling apart says it's over with. It's like, let's just get out of here. This is it. Sorry, little birdie. Too late. So did what you're supposed to do. Keep your house up. What's wrong with folks around here? Let stuff go down. This is over with. This is over with. Yeah, I'm about to chop you down. You too tall. You too tall, man. Yard work. Yeah. That's it. That's it. Yard work. used to be this is no longer in existence. We want to keep this moving on. Yeah. The show is over with. You've been chopped down, you've been eliminated. Yeah. This is how it goes down and down. Down in the dirt, down in the ground. Down in the ground, man. Just clear this area out. Make some room for standing. Put a grill right here. Yeah. It's over with. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. All right. If you watch this all the way through, I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. Follow this video. Follow MediaManiac. I'm always got something posted. All right, and we out. Small tree removal. It's gone, y'all. It's gone. Look at that. Look at that. That tree is gone.